Hey, good morning students. Last class we have discussed about alcoholic earth metals, mainly anomalous behavior of beryllium and diagonal relationship of beryllium. So overall diagonal relationship of beryllium. Beryllium element diagonal with aluminum. What is the meaning of diagonal relationship? Beryllium diagonal with aluminum. Beryllium diagonal with aluminum. So these two elements contain similar properties or equal properties. Okay, which elements? Beryllium and aluminum. These two elements contain equal or similar properties. So which properties are similar? Listen. Now first point, overall beryllium and aluminum. Beryllium and aluminum. These two elements contain small atomic size. Small atomic size. Okay, nearly equal atomic size. Okay, so beryllium, aluminum, these two elements nearly equal atomic size values. Next, second one, beryllium and aluminum. These two elements equal electronegativity values. Equal electronegativity values. Okay, so that is 1.5. Okay, 1.5 equal value. Beryllium 1.5, at the same time aluminum also 1.5 electronegativity value. And next third one, beryllium and aluminum. These two elements forms number of components. So like a chlorides, sulfates and carbonates, nitrates. Okay, so they are all components contain covalent nature. Okay, they are all components which nature? Covalent nature. And at the same time beryllium and aluminum, they are all components soluble in organic components. Soluble in organic components. So which type of organic components? Mainly alcohol and ether and acetone. So alcohol like a ethyl alcohol or methyl alcohol, okay, or ether, dimethyl ether, diethyl ether. So these are all ether components and acetone. So overall alcohol, ether, acetone, they are all organic solvents. So beryllium and aluminum components is soluble in organic solvents. Okay, so next point, beryllium and aluminum halides. Beryllium and aluminum halides easily soluble in water. Okay, suppose for example we have taken BeCl2, beryllium chloride. This beryllium chloride is reacts with water molecules. To form in this reaction, BeOH taken twice, beryllium hydroxide, and next further to form in this reaction hydrochloric acid. Okay, when beryllium chloride reacts with water molecule, to form in this reaction beryllium hydroxide, next hydrochloric acid. At the same time AlCl3, aluminum trichloride, it is also reacts with the water molecule. To form in this reaction Al OH taken twice and hydrochloric acid. Aluminium trichloride reacts with water molecule to form aluminium hydroxide, AlOH taken twice. Next hydrochloric acid. Overall, beryllium and aluminium halides easily soluble in water, okay, to form hydroxides and acids. Okay, so beryllium chloride to form beryllium hydroxide and hydrochloric acid. Aluminium chloride reacts with the water molecule to form aluminium hydroxide and hydrochloric acid. Okay, so overall, next beryllium, aluminium. These two elements reacts with carbon to form their carbides. So Be2C, beryllium carbide, or Al4C3, aluminium carbide. Okay, so beryllium, aluminium. These two elements reacts with carbon to form their carbides. Beryllium carbide, aluminium carbide. When these two elements, these two components reacts with the water molecule, to form methane gas. Okay, suppose beryllium carbide reacts with the water molecule to form in this reaction BeOH taken twice, beryllium hydroxide, and next further CH4, methane. CH4 means methane, alkane. Okay, beryllium carbide reacts with water molecule to form beryllium hydroxide and next methane gas. At the same time, Al4C3, aluminium carbide. These aluminium carbide is reacts with water molecules to form in this reaction AlOH taken 4 and CH4, methane. Okay, aluminium carbide reacts with the water molecule to form in this reaction AlOH taken 4, aluminium hydroxide, AlOH taken 3, aluminium hydroxide, and CH4, methane gas. Okay, so what is the sixth point? Beryllium, aluminium. These two elements reacts with carbon to form their carbides. So beryllium Be2C, beryllium carbide. Aluminium Al4C3, aluminium carbide. These two elements reacts with water molecule to form their hydroxides and methane gas. Okay, so it is another point. Next further, so overall beryllium and aluminium, these two elements contain some specific characteristics. Okay, some specific characteristics. When these two elements dipped in concentrate HNO3, so the time loss of characteristics of that metals. Okay, loss of characteristics of that metals. Okay, when we have taken beryllium metal, this beryllium metal is dipped in concentrate HNO3, so the time to loss of characteristics of beryllium metal. At the same time, when we have taken aluminium metal, this aluminium metal is dipped in concentrate HNO3, so that time that aluminium metal also loss of characteristics. Okay, so overall two elements when dipped in HNO3 to loss of characteristics of metals. Okay, next further, so beryllium is reacts with the sodium hydroxide to form berylate components. Suppose for example, beryllium reacts with the NaOH, sodium hydroxide, to form in this reaction Na2BeO2, Na2BeO2 and hydrogen gas. Sodium barite. What is the formula? Na2BeO2. Okay, so beryllium reaction with sodium hydroxide to form berylate, sodium berylate, and aluminum also reacts with the sodium hydroxide to form sodium aluminate. Okay, sodium berylate, sodium aluminate. Suppose next aluminum, this aluminum also reacts with the water molecule and sodium hydroxide to form in this reaction NaAlO2 and hydrogen gas. NaAlO2 and hydrogen gas. Okay, so sodium aluminate. What is the formula of sodium aluminate? NaAlO2, sodium aluminate. At the same time, hydrogen gas. Okay, so overall, beryllium and aluminum, these two elements reacts with the sodium hydroxide to form beryllium give sodium berylate and aluminum give sodium aluminate. At the same time, which gas? Hydrogen gas. Okay, so it is another point. Okay, so listen, diagonal relationship. Overall, beryllium aluminum. Beryllium is the second A group element, and aluminum is the third A group element. So second A group element, and it is a third A group element. Second A group first element, third A group second element. These two elements contain nearly equal or similar properties. That phenomenon is called diagonal relationship. Beryllium diagonal with aluminum means beryllium aluminum, these two components is nearly or equal similar properties. So which properties are similar or equal? Already we know that beryllium and aluminum, these two elements contain nearly equal atomic radius values, and beryllium aluminum, these two elements equal electronegativity values. Beryllium form some components like a beryllium chloride, beryllium sulfate, beryllium carbonate, beryllium nitrate. Aluminum also to form number of components: aluminum nitrate, aluminum hydroxide, aluminum sulfate. So beryllium sulfate and beryllium components, aluminum components. These two components covalent components, and beryllium components, aluminum components soluble in organic components. Which type of organic components? Alcohol, ether, acetone. Alcohol means number of different types of alcohols, like a methyl alcohol, ethyl alcohol. Okay, ether also number of ethers are there: dimethyl ether, diethyl ether. So there are all ethers. Okay, so next further, beryllium chloride and aluminum chloride. These two components reacts with water molecule to form their hydroxides and hydrochloric acid. Suppose beryllium chloride reacts with water molecule to form beryllium hydroxide and hydrochloric acid. Aluminium trichloride reacts with water molecule to form aluminium hydroxide and hydrochloric acid. Next point, beryllium and aluminium. These two elements to give their carbides, beryllium carbide and aluminium carbide. So beryllium carbide is Be2C, aluminium carbide is Al4C3. These two carbides reacts with water molecule to form their hydroxides and at the same time methane gas. So beryllium carbide reacts with water molecule to form beryllium hydroxide and methane. Aluminium carbide also reacts with water molecule to form aluminium hydroxide AlOH taken twice and methane. Overall, beryllium and aluminium, these two elements contain some specific properties. Okay, metallic nature, specific properties. When these two elements dipped in concentrate HNO3, that time loss of characteristics of that metals. Okay, so it is a beryllium and aluminum. These two elements of the characteristics losses when dipped in concentrate HNO3. So next further, beryllium and aluminium. These two elements reacts with sodium hydroxide, beryllium to form berylate, aluminium to form aluminator. At the same time hydrogen gas. So beryllium reacts with sodium hydroxide to form Na2BeO2, sodium berylate and hydrogen gas. Next, aluminium is also reacts with sodium hydroxide and we have added some quantity of water to form sodium aluminator. So NaAlO2, sodium aluminate and hydrogen gas. Okay, so they are all similar properties of aluminium and beryllium, that is a diagonal relationship. Okay. Next, further alcoholic earth metals to form different types of components like sulfates and nitrates, carbonates. Okay, now nitrates. So alcoholic earth metals, beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, radium. So beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium. These elements alcoholic earth metals. Overall, they are all metals to form. Suppose it is M. They are all metals to form MnO3 taken twice. Formula of compounds. Okay, MnO3 taken twice. Formula of compounds. Commonly, how it is formed? When alcoholic earth metals of carbonates reacts with HNO3 nitric acid to form nitrates. Okay, overall, suppose beryllium carbonate or magnesium carbonate, suppose for example MgCO3, magnesium carbonate. This magnesium carbonate is reacts with HNO3 nitric acid, HNO3 nitric acid. To form this reaction, MgNO3 taken twice and H2CO3. Okay, magnesium carbonate is reacts with HNO3 nitric acid. To form this reaction, magnesium nitrate and H2CO3 carbonic acid. At the same time, suppose BeCO3 beryllium carbonate. So it is also reacts with HNO3 nitric acid. To form in this reaction, BeNO3 taken twice and H2CO3. Beryllium nitrate and carbonic acid. So it is formed carbonates. Which carbonates? Alcoholic earth metals. Carbonates is reacts with the nitric acid HNO3 to form their nitrates. Beryllium nitrate or magnesium nitrate or calcium nitrate or strontium nitrate or barium nitrate. So they are all nitrates. Overall, when heated off nitrates to give different types of components like nitrogen dioxide and oxygen and then metal oxides. Suppose when heated off MgNO3 taken twice, magnesium nitrate. So that time to give MgO, magnesium oxide, and NO2, nitrogen dioxide, and the next oxygen gas. Okay, so when we have heated each alcoholic earth metals of nitrate, suppose for example, suppose we have taken another CaNO3 taken twice, calcium nitrate. When heated up this calcium nitrate to form calcium oxide CaO and NO2 nitrogen dioxide, next oxygen gas. Okay, CaO calcium oxide, 2NO2 nitrogen dioxide and oxygen gas. Okay, so nitrates. These nitrates also easily soluble in water. So overall, these when heated up these nitrates to form their oxides and nitrogen dioxide and oxygen gas. Okay, so it is the nitrates. Listen. Beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium. They are all elements to form their nitrates. How it is formed? So, alcoholic earth metals of carbonates reacts with HNO3 to form their nitrates. So, MnO3 taken twice, formula of components alcoholic earth metals nitrates. Suppose for example we have taken magnesium carbonate. Magnesium carbonate is reacts with HNO3 nitric acid to form magnesium oxide, magnesium nitrate and H2CO3 carbonic acid. So remaining all metals of carbonates is reacts with HNO3 to form their nitrates. So overall they are all metal nitrates is easily soluble in water. When heated off these metal nitrates to form three components, that is metal oxide, nitrogen dioxide and oxygen gas. Suppose when heated off magnesium nitrate to form magnesium oxide and next nitrogen dioxide and oxygen gas. Okay, so it is nitrates. Further class we have discussed about sulfates and carbonates. Okay.